Alright. I've got a sketchy setup because I'm going to be in between the camera and the ladder. I did not record me taking the first one down because I didn't plan on putting one up. I just expected to find a way to cover the hole. But it turns out the one that we have that we're going to get a replacement for, the base is the same, so we're just going to have it there for fire alarm for now. What we're going to do is we're going to put this here, cover the hole, and then we're going to put the base on, and we're just going to do everything you normally would. So, we'll do that. Got the wrong screwdriver. I was gonna do a favor for the next person that has to do one of these things, which would probably be me. So we're having to deal with flat-headed screws and use Phillips heads, but I have no Phillips head screws that fit that box. That's obviously lovely. We're not tying in to the box, but we're not tying into electricity. We're just using the box. I don't know if my head's in the way or not. I'm using a ridiculous screwdriver, so I can try not to be in the way. I don't know how that's going, but I'm trying. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this ladder around. So now there's a decent chance you're going to be looking at an 8x zoom of my face. It's really warm up here. It's kind of cool outside and we're running heaters. And all the heat is just going up to the ceiling because heat rises. Alright. This hole has paint in it. That's why this is going slower. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Camera went dead. All we really miss is the screws going in just the slightest last bit. Now it's time to install it. Like that. Testing! Now this is just a temporary replacement because the other one is 21 years old and won't quit malfunctioning. We're going to get another one just like that. That's brand new. That is from 2016. So it's still got another year left on it. So it'll be fine until we get another one. So yes, there we go.